welcome our derivative lead analyst Shilpa Raut from Prabhudas Lilladher. And firstly, markets have been flat, at least after the couple of days of decline that we had seen yesterday. Today we are largely on a flat trade that we have been seeing. What is your view on the markets firstly, and secondly, Nifty Metal Index, it's up for the ninth consecutive session. Any thoughts on that?
Good afternoon, everyone. Rightly said, Nifty and Bank Nifty, they are in some sort of consolidation zone where we see that Nifty is likely to underperform Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as per option chain, we see a strong put writing addition happening at 42,000 zones, which will act as an immediate support. So with a stop loss of 41,800, maybe one should look for targets of 43,000 on Bank Nifty. But Nifty definitely has some consolidation and stiff resistance at around 17,800. So a pair trade may be where you can short Nifty and go long on Bank Nifty.
Okay, Shilpa, so that's the take coming in as far as the index is concerned. But as Somit was asking about the metal index, do you have any favorites when it comes to that space?
Yes, definitely metals after a long consolidation and quite beaten down, every script now is showing some sort of upside movement, be it Tata Steel, be it Jindal Steel and Power. So Tata Steel definitely is looking well placed for targets of 117 from current zone. So one should look at that. Also Coal India, one should keep that in focus as well, with a stop loss of 227, 228 from here. Look for targets of 245 to 250 zones.
The take coming in as far as Coal India and the metal index is concerned. But Shilpa, other than that, what are the top stock recommendations?
I have one sell and one buy. The sell would be on Metropolis. Metropolis futures is actually now just on the verge of a breakdown where you can see targets of 1260, 1270 coming from here. So stop loss of 1310 on futures. One should look for a sell in this counter. The other one would be a buy in Navin Fluorine. Navin Fluorine is looking very strong, and with a stop loss of 4580 from current zones, look for targets of 4700 and above.
Okay, Shilpa, we'll let you go on that note. Appreciate you joining us on the show. But